let's switch back to our application and see the reducing logic in action. So we have here a chat window with user Alice, and Alice has selected the thread that it has with Bob only. Now in a second window, let's open the user Chuck. Chuck has selected a thread where Alice is on. So let's say hello Alice. At this point, you will have the unread messages counter that is populated. We have here this thread marked as unread, and now if we click on it, we are going to see that the unread messages counter was set back to 0. And if we select another thread, it's still at 0. So let's select here this thread with Chuck, also with David. Let's open a third window with Bob. So Bob is going to send a few messages to Alice. So let's try this out. Let's send here a couple of messages. Let's say hello, hi. So as we can see, the messages counter is being incremented as one would expect. Let's send a series of messages. So everything is still working as expected. Now whenever we click this thread again we have set the unread messages counter to 0. So everything is working as expected at this point. There is only one thing. If you refresh the application or you select another user and then go back to Alice, you're going to see that the messages have not been marked as read on the server. We're going to implement that as a side effect. It's coming right up in the next lesson.